Hi friends, this is Shiva. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. What's so interesting in this box? It is nothing but a Tesla coil. But what is special about my video? A lot of videos are available on YouTube. So I'm not going to show you how it is going to work. But what we can do further. So let's get into the video. Okay, before going to do further experiments, we'll check how it is going to work. So we need one light to check, and these are the some components, extra components they provided in the box when I brought. Okay, this is the light we need. We also required one 9 volts adapter. So where it is? Okay. Yeah, I got here it is. Yeah, this is 9 volts output adapter. Now I plug it in. So we'll test how it is going to work. You can see that LED lit up inside this Tesla coil. You can also observe sparks coming out from it's like some flames, not sparks, from the end of the copper wire. You can check. You can also check some sparks which are coming out from this coil when I touch with needle. Yeah, you can check this light. Yeah, it's working when I keep this light near to this coil. I got another idea. What if we solder some copper wires which is like this? We'll make like some spikes and solder to this copper wire which is attached to the coil. So we'll make. Shit, power went out. I think it is clearly visible to you. I just soldered the I made like that copper wires. I made like some spikes, and I will check if the flames come out from all the spikes of this copper wire or only come out from one. So we'll check. Yeah, here it is. So I think it is clearly visible to you. Oh shit, it's not working. Only that flames are coming out from one. I got another idea. Why don't we extend that copper wire from the coil to some distance, and we'll check will that wireless power will transfer or not. So I made like this. So we'll check. You can observe that sparks are hitting the floor. I don't know why it is happening. Yeah, it's working. It's clearly working. The power is transferring from the distance. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it's working. Actually, this is the theme of our video. Power will transfer to a distance from the coil or not? I just extended and it's working. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. We'll meet in the next video.